Attention Earth people, I am called Orbitel. My number is TR-005. I am straight from the space age, with technology to match. My advanced electro tuner can take you from very high frequency to ultra high frequency programs without having to reach for a separate control. My 5-inch, measured diagonally, black and white picture is so detailed it will turn your head. But you won't have to, because I swivel a full 180 degrees on my beautiful tripod base. I am thoroughly solid state, which means a future of thoroughly solid performance. And because I have speedo vision, you won't have to wait for one of my performances, because I don't have to warm up. So take me to your leaders, the ones who set the styles. With all the excitement coming up on TV, who says what you watch it on has to be dull? This classic little space-age television was made from 1969 to 1973, I believe, from what I could find on the internet, by Panasonic, and it's the TR-005 Orbitel. It's 5-inch black and white on a chrome tripod, and the set swivels 180 degrees. This is not really in working condition. It's going to be mostly a display model, I think, but the display is what it's all about in this case. This is going to take the best spot in my house. Let's go in for a closer look. Down on the chrome tripod we have the old style Panasonic logo in the N for national, which is also a Matsushita terminology. And then we have the actual Panasonic spelled out on the screen cover there. And you can see the 5-inch screen embedded sort of in there behind the plastic. And there's a channel indicator here for your UHF station and your VHF high and VHF low. And the VHF low on this particular unit is burned out, so I have to look real hard to see what channel I'm looking for in there. Here's a close-up of some of our controls along the right. Here we have our tuning dial, and off to its right we have our band selector off, VHF low, VHF high, UHF, and once again off. Earphone jack, vertical hold, and horizontal hold. 3 controls around the left side: volume, contrast, and brightness. Here's what it looks like from the back, an overall shot. We'll zoom in here closer. Close up around the back, I've removed the VHF internal antenna connections and put in my matching transformer to try the TV out on over-the-air digital to analog box. And here we have a label that shows some of the adjustment trimmer locations for various things around here. You're going to have a vertical linearity, height, focus, RF AGC, and IF AGC trimmer spots there. On the underside we have some ventilation grill work and our speaker. This is a little embossed outline indicator of a screw. It says ISO, that indicates it used metric screws. Here's our badge. Panasonic solid state TV model TR-005. Matsushita. We have our Underwriter's Lab label, and we have the residue of another sticker over here above the FCC identification. I suspect that sticker at one time said when and where it was manufactured. Unfortunately, it's missing. And here's our antennas retracted. The antennas extend, I think, 39 inches, I read. And they really go up there. And of course, they swivel out into different directions and things like that. That's quite a pair. Won't be using, I'll leave them down against the television, which I think is a great look.
Have you tried? Sure, but if not,
My digital to analog converter box is set to output to channel 4.
when you experience discomfort,
I don't get anything on channel 3, channel 4. Right now, if you could see the display, which you're not going to be able to, I'm on channel 6, and that's the best I can do. And sometimes on this channel, you can see text on commercials and the ghosts of people walking around a little bit. So it's trying to pull in a signal from the box. It's just not quite able to do it well enough. And it looks a little better to me sometimes than it probably does to you. It's working at it, but it's working at it on channel 6 instead of channel 4. So there's definitely something wrong with the tuner here.
Omega XL can help you relieve pain and discomfort because it works.
You can see it's trying real hard to pull something in. It just doesn't have the guts to do it. See the VHF high indicator, which works. Low, high, and there's the UHF indicator. That's kind of what we get. So that's the 1971 Panasonic TR-005 Orbitel space age television. I might not be able to watch it, but I can certainly look at it and maybe listen to it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.